Hey everybody. So I just finished up that one random WAD tool that I was working on today. Well, kind of became a little bit more than that. How about I just go ahead and show you? So it's called the Wadinator because, and essentially it kind of works the same way that that whole D-zoner thing that I had before did. You can give it a random path, like if I just throw it at my D-zone folder, it'll just pick a random WAD and it'll give you a nice little command line you could use. Just paste that in there, and uh, I wasn't paying attention clearly. That was an E2M1 replacement. Okay, so it's not, doesn't do everything for you. You do have to specify the map because, yeah, I don't want to try to read minds. But anyway, yeah. So it does a little bit more than that. Before, the comp level detection in D-Zoner was essentially if it has Doom 1 maps, then pick comp level 3. If it has Doom 2 maps, pick comp level 2. So, and then it would just give you the lists, kind of like what it does here. You know, if in doubt, use these. However, this goes a little bit further than that. So, like, if I point it to, I don't know, let's go into, boom, CL9, Speed of Doom. If I point it to that directly, it'll just analyze the file, show me what maps are in it, and if you notice down there, it actually defaults to comp level 9. What this will do is it'll actually go into the map data, and if it finds any boom line def types or anything like that, it will pick boom. If it detects MBF, it'll pick MBF. If it detects MBF21, it'll pick that. It analyzes the dehacked lump, the line defs, sectors, and things. And one more thing that it does, because there are some other files that kind of rely on different Doom quirks. Like, for instance, in classic Doom, everything from the original release 1.1, or I should say 1.0 shareware, all the way up through 1.9, if you killed any enemy on at the end of episode 1, or not any enemy, but any boss enemy, Cyber Demon, Spider Mastermind, whatever, it would actually lower any sector that had the tag 666. In Ultimate Doom 1.9, for whatever reason, id Software changed that, which ended up actually breaking some old maps, like UAC Dead. After Ultimate Doom came out, that map became essentially unwinnable without cheats, or unless you ended up moving it to... Actually, no, it was literally just... You couldn't beat it the intended way. You could move it to E2M8, but, yeah, then killing the Cyber Demon at the end would just end the level. However, what this does is it actually goes in, as you can see, note this WAD has a Cyber Demon and or Spider Mastermind on E1M8, as well as sectors with the 666 tag value. If this WAD was designed around Ultimate Doom 1.9's behavior, this will likely lead to unexpected results. In this case, use comp level 3. If this is an older WAD that relies on the legacy behavior, such as UACDead.WAD, comp level 2, as specified above, must be used. So it tries to be a little smart. I'm sure there's a lot of corner cases and random stuff that I miss. Like, obviously, if the WAD's dependent on, like, Final Doom's teleport behavior, there's no way of just programmatically detecting that, so it can't do everything. I don't think there's any behavior other than that teleport wonkiness that, you know, Doom 1.2 or 1.666 would really affect, but, you know, it is what it is. Oh, yeah, and of course, if there's any Ultimate Doom maps, it'll automatically pick Ultimate Doom, just because, you know, Episode 4 won't show up otherwise. But, yeah, I don't know, I'm pretty happy with it so far. The code's a bit, I don't know, maybe rougher than I would like, because I've just been, I just kind of took the ball and just kept running with it, really didn't have a plan. It was just kind of a lot of it was spur of the moment, as you could tell, because, you know, it took longer than like a day to port it over from Swift. But yeah, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and leave a link to the GitHub page in the description below. I have pre-built executables for 32-bit and 64-bit Windows. It's running .NET 6, so I'm not sure what the compatibility is going to be like, but you know, you could try it. I know it works on like Unix-like systems because this was actually just developed on my MacBook. it's almost like I should have just used .NET in the first place instead of just messing around with Swift, but whatever, lesson learned. But anyway, yeah, if you give it a shot, let me know what you think. That's about it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.